How to delete Instagram messages. In order to do that, just head right here to your message icon, which is your inbox. Now from in here, just select the message right here that you want to delete. For example, for me, I'll head over and delete my conversation with this person. In order to do that, just long press it, and then from in there, you can see this delete option. Head over and click on that, and then click on this delete right here, and then as you can see, it's been deleted. Another option that you can do is head over and click on that specific conversation, and then from in there, just click on their name right here, and then click on here on the options, and you can see this particular options like block, report, and restrict, as well as this privacy and safety and the likes in here as well. So if you want to block or restrict them, you can also have the option to do that. You can also mute them if you actually don't want to receive any message from them, but you don't want to delete them Instagram messages. So from in there, just go on with that. So that's how you delete Instagram messages.